So I have another wig slay for you guys, and I'm bringing you inches, baby. So if you're new, girl, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, cause my channel's lit, baby. Like, I'm the hair plug. I tell all the tea. Like this video, comment down below. Okay, I want to see your feedback on this wig. I want to see how I slay this wig. Stay tuned, baby. Oh my god, y'all don't understand how tight them damn scarf was on my head. So the look is finished, guys. Oh my god, do y'all see this parting? So this wig is 40 inches, baby, so I don't think y'all see it. Let's just literally, oh my god, it's past my butt. It's about to go to my knees. Can y'all believe this? I wanted a long black wig for the longest. This is like my signature style, you feel me? The wig is actually 42 inches, girl. I had to look on the thing right here. So she's 42 inches. I got her in the color 1, which is a nice jet black color. Long jet black hair just looks so good. She's a Swiss lace wig, so the lace is not hard whatsoever. What I can say is that there was a lot of black knots in the parting, so I had to put like a lot of powder. Parting space, girl, 6 inches. 6 inches of parting, guys. Do y'all see that? I mean, I don't think y'all see this parting. This parting is so long. 6 inches of parting. I'm like, oh my god, I needed this. Like 6 inches. 6 inches. A closure wig. So when you look inside of the wig cap, you only get the parting that's in there. But let me put some of this hair to the front for you guys, so y'all can see. Y'all can see. Ooh. So she is getting a little bit tangly, but nothing too major. Something that you can just put your fingers right through, okay? Okay, so I put some of the hair to the front. Oh my god, I love this so much. I love this. This is so good, guys. If my phone was like big enough to show you guys the whole length, but look at that. She is so long. Comes with a center part, so you don't get a frontal. You just get a part. But yeah, I did some baby hairs. You don't really get much for hairline also. So it's basically like a part wig, like literally a closure wig. So you don't really get much of a hairline with it, which was like, but I was like, okay, I'm good with it, because with this wig, I'm wearing it one style anyway, which is a middle part. I'm gonna wear this as a side part. You can definitely just rotate it to the side. Hair texture is like a light yaki hair texture. Amazing, okay? She do not feel fake whatsoever. Oh god, but she took my earring out my ear. Let me just put that back up in here. Zoom in for you guys. You can see through the camera that she is a true yaki hair texture. Just by looking at this texture, you cannot tell that this is synthetic hair whatsoever. It literally looks like bundles is on my head. And let me tell you, girl, I was finna make a long closure wig because I wanted some long hair. It's getting cold out. But girl, I seen this wig. I was like, let me get this. And my beauty supply store, they price was $50. I'm like, okay, whatever. But they said 25% off, and it was like $30, almost $40. So I'm like,
whatever.
I think did I review this wig before? I think I did. I think I reviewed this wig a long time ago, or a similar wig to like this, but I don't remember me reviewing a long wig like this and it was like bomb as fuck like this. Like, this party just blowing me away, guys. So it states that the lace is thin and undetectable, which I could say it is, but as I said, they put a lot of black knots in the part, so I had to put a lot of concealer. I put concealer and powder with this unit. If you wanna know what powder I use the NYX contour palette. Yeah, I use the NYX contour palette. I use like the beigey kind of shade, just because I don't like putting my skin color the same exact color my part. Because be realistic, your part in your hair is like a little bit lighter than your skin tone, right? So you want to look realistic, so I just put like almost like a offish beigeish color into the party area, because that's how my real part looks. Also states that it is comfortable to wear. Now, yes, it is really comfortable to wear. The fitting for this wig, big head friendly.
Big head friendly.
Okay, I did not have to mess with the straps or anything. So it do come with a comb, one comb in the nape area and 2 combs on the side. I'm like, okay. I hate wigs that is so tight and it's just so uncomfortable, but this wig is very comfortable. I love how it fits. And yeah, I didn't have to put no combs in. I just like put some hairspray on the baby hairs and stuff, but this wig is literally won't go anywhere. I mean, it might go somewhere, you know, somebody tug on my hair. That ain't finna happen. I'm finna fight them if they do that. But yeah, I don't need to put no combs in. It's very snug and very comfortable. As far as shedding, I did get some shedding. Like, I'm getting a few strands. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm getting a few strands, but it's not a lot. Now, do take that this wig is not 30 inches. It is not 35 inches, not 34 inches, not 40 inches. It's 42 inches. So you're gonna get some shedding, girl. Like, whether you like it or not, that's with any hair. So I'm getting a few strands, but it's nothing crazy. Now let me tell you about the wear of this wig. Me and my experience with synthetic wigs, long wigs, it's been kind of okay, but let's just say that this wig is gonna be high maintenance. It's very cute, it's very easy to wear, but you're gonna need to be brushing this wig daily. I wouldn't say wear this wig every single day. Wear this wig if you just want to slay and take somebody bae. Like, don't wear it every day, because you want this wig to last. It is super long, and you know you don't want to mess it up, because with this wig you're going to be sitting on it. Like, I'm 5'4", and I'm gonna be sitting on this hair. Like, if you're like taller than me, you're a little bit lucky, but listen, girl, I'm gonna be sitting on this hair, maybe trip over this hair. It's gonna be a lot, but like, I love long hair like this. I could wear long hair like this every single day. I will keep you guys updated on this wig. Do come with layers, as you guys can see. I love layers. It makes everything look so much more natural. I hate hair that just like just long, just one length. So annoying, and it's gonna be too much in your face. So I like that it gives layers in the front, so the hair won't be all in your face. At the time, of course, you're gonna have to cut this hair if you want. I mean, you don't have to cut like inches off, but like the ends are probably gonna get really strangly. But like, honestly, see how the ends are a little bit tangling up. But But yeah, honestly, I don't know why I'm doing it here like this. I'm supposed to be holding it like this. The ends are kind of thin. Ends are gonna get tired, girl. This wig is synthetic, so, you know, she's not gonna really last that long. But with proper care, girl, yes. With washing this hair, girl, it's not gonna be hard, but it's just gonna be a longer process. Since this hair is so long, you have to detangle it for a minute, okay? I know I love wearing human hair wigs, but I'm back to wearing synthetic human hair blend wigs. Like, it's just so easy and so much more affordable. So they do have this wig in many different colors, which is 613. I think they have ombre, I'm not sure, but the colors will be linked in the description box below when you click on the website. This is a poppin' ass wig, girl. Like, this is a stripper wig too. Like, I can be in a club on a pole, like, hey, give me that money, hey. I hope you really enjoyed this wig. I'm gonna be doing like a series where I review a lot of long wigs. I have so much planned for you guys, so I can't wait. But yeah, baby, go get this wig, girl. Valentine's Day coming up. Oh, speaking of Valentine's Day, make sure you purchase from Wigs, which is my wig line. I have a Valentine's Day sale that some of y'all are sleeping on. 15% off, girl, and with your order, you're gonna get free gifts. Let me show y'all. Order from me. Now, this wig is not from me, of course, but for my wig launches in link description below, you can get with your purchase. So, girl, go get that. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to take some fire pics, girl. I'm about to do a nice little intro for y'all. Like, y'all better stay tuned. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down for more, baby. I love you dolls all so much, and slay until your edges fall off.